countries have continued to collaborate in the fight against COVID-19 pandemic and reduce its effect to the people and economies. Kenya has made efforts to manufacture medical disposables and is set to begin exporting personal protective equipment and COVID-19 reagents to help in the fight against the pandemic. This as a section of leaders continue to call on the government to arrest and prosecute those culpable in the COVID-19 funds scandal.
A Kenyan company, Revital Healthcare EPZ Limited, which manufactures the medical facilities in Kilifi County, has raised its capacity to produce up to 80,000 testing kits per day. Already, the company has begun exporting COVID-19 reagents to 14 countries, including Uganda, Tanzania, Malawi, Namibia, and Zambia, among others. Authorities said the company is certified by the World Health Organization. Speaking after touring the company, Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi said the industry started manufacturing 2 products, but currently they are producing 34 products and intend to manufacture all the 1,000 medical products. He said so far they have employed 400 people, 80% of whom are women, adding that they target to employ 1,000 employees.
Na PPEs hizi hazitasaidia tu wakazi wa Kilifi, hazitasaidia tu wakazi wa Pwani, lakini Jamhuri ya Kenya yote, kaunti zote 47, na kama hivi leo tumejionea ni kwamba vifaa hivi sasa vinasafirishwa katika nchi za ng'ambo.
In the meantime, Funyula Member of Parliament Wilberforce Mudenyo has asked the Ministry of Education to put proper guidelines before resumption of learning. Speaking in Busia during the distribution of personal protective equipment, Mudenyo stated that some of the parents had used school fees owing to the pandemic challenges and may not be able to raise money for their kids to resume classes this year. The legislator noted that learning should only resume once the pandemic has been contained.
Lazima tuthibitishe, tuhakikishe kuwa ugonjwa umepunguka ndio watoto wetu warudi shuleni. Lakini pia tujue labda tunaweza kuwa na corona miaka mingi ambayo inakuja, inatufaa tuanze kufanya mpango ya to live with the corona na kuruhusu watoto wetu warudi shuleni.
Elsewhere, former Naivasha Member of Parliament John Mututho has appealed to President Uhuru Kenyatta to borrow a leaf from Somalia and ensure all culprits behind the COVID-19 funds theft are arrested and prosecuted. Mututho has called on the Kenyan government to emulate Somalia and act on corrupt cartels. This even as human rights defenders and members of the civil society continue to hold nationwide demos under the hashtag Arrest COVID-19 Thieves.
Lakini kama wewe ni jirani na umelemewa na kazi, omba jirani yako msaada. They know how to deal with these people, COVID guys, because they are worse than COVID itself. When you hear people have stolen 40, 53, or Mara 43, they have stolen, and now you hear that HIV, AIDS, malaria, TB is at risk because of these guys. Shout for your neighbor to come and help, and they'll be sorted out.
Beatrice Gatonyenge-Tich, Channel 1 News.